Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I love fall here in South Dakota. The leaves are starting to change all sorts of beautiful colors. It's starting to get a little bit cooler so you can get all cozy. And the last of the summer vegetables are being harvested. So today I'd like to share with you a dish that reminds me of this time of year. Something with lots of color and a little bit of heat. Enchiladas. Let's go ahead and dive in. So to start this off, we're going to put 2 pots of water on the stove. One for lentils and the other for quinoa. In the meantime, we got some veggies to prep. Tomatoes, onion, and orange pepper to be exact. Let's fire up a dicing montage. You can't have enchiladas without cheese. And I happen to have a delicious vegan cheese recipe. Grab a blender and add cashews, water, nutritional yeast, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, about 1/3 of a carrot, and some cayenne pepper. Blend this until totally smooth because no one wants a crunchy cheese. Now that the water is boiling in our first pot, we're going to throw in a 1/2 cup of lentils and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and simmer covered for 15 minutes. If you want an amazing homemade taco seasoning, check out our vegan taco recipe. In the other pot, we'll throw in 1 cup of quinoa and simmer it for about 15 minutes. While that's doing its thing, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Time's up, so we'll throw our lentils and quinoa into a large bowl. In goes our veggies, a can of diced chilies, a can of beans, half of our cheese, and half a can of enchilada sauce. Now there's that wonderful set of fall colors I was talking about. Now we'll give everything a good mix. Take out a large baking dish, give it a light spray down with some cooking oil, and add the rest of our cheese. Now comes the part that I'm quite the professional at, stuffing our tortillas. Take 1 tortilla, add about a cup and a half of filling, roll it up, and put it into the dish. Continue this until it is full. Drizzle the rest of the enchilada sauce on top and pop it in the oven for around 20 minutes, or until it starts to brown a little. You want the tortilla shells to be nice and crispy. Let's go ahead and plate this dish. All right, let's have this first bite. Ooh, good crisp. Oh yeah. There's a wonderful amount of heat coming into this dish through the chilies and the cheese. On top of that, our tortilla shell has a great crisp to it, giving it a really fun texture. This is my go-to fall dish. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know what your favorite fall dishes are in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe for future vegetarian and vegan meals, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. One day, onions. One day I will cut you without crying. Oh. Ah! Yeah.